Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone won't die mid-repair. Charge it to at least 50%, then connect to a PC and copy essential files. Once done, install any device drivers and place the correct firmware or factory image in a known folder. Now you need to get into recovery, use the hardware key combo, or type a DB reboot recovery if the OS boots. Do this promptly so you can run the next steps without interruption. You will now remove corrupt runtime data by wiping cache and Dalvik or ART. Do a factory reset only if corruption persists. Next, flash the firmware using a DB sideload for zip packages or fastboot flash for images. Follow the OEM partition sequence and don't skip vendor or VB meta steps. After flashing, verify file checksums and the boot image integrity so you know the flash succeeded. Then reboot into the boot. You should boot the system and walk through setup to confirm apps and services start normally. Make sure storage and permissions look correct. If the device enters a boot loop, reflash the boot and recovery images, restore stock VB meta, or temporarily disable Verity to isolate the issue. Finally, collect logs with a DB logcat and recovery logs for any persistent failures, so you can compare before and after behavior. This log will guide targeted fixes and prevent repeat errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.